Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the Roblox error code 262 error on your Roblox app or Roblox web version. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you're having this problem guys, so there are a couple of methods of as a solution for this. So the first one is to go over and actually delete or reset our cache files or cookies on our Roblox webs version if you are using this version. I will also teach you guys on the Roblox um, app version. So go over to the cookies and site data here by selecting this one lock icon here, manage cookies and site data, and just delete all of the above here by clicking the trash icon, and that should reset our cache files or delete our cache files. So don't worry guys, you just have to go ahead and relog in and that should fix the issue. The next one is to go over to run here, search for run, and just have to search for this um, one, type in this one percentage local app data percentage. Okay, and just press T and go over to temp and go over here and just press R to go ahead and search for Roblox. I just have to search for Roblox here. I already did this guys because I tested it earlier, but all you need to do is delete the Roblox file that is found here. So the next one guys is to actually reset your computer and see if this method worked for you. So the next one guys, if you are using the um, Roblox app version guys, so all you need to do is go ahead and search for the Roblox player launcher and just open file location and right click and go over to properties and compatibility, and all you need to do is check this one, check this box here, run this program as an admin, hit apply and hit OK. And if that does not work guys, so the last solution is to go ahead and opt to install the Microsoft version of Roblox here. So search for Roblox here and just install it here because this is a much more updated version of Roblox compared to the website app version. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.